friends, we will discuss about B tree index file. Now, B tree eliminates the redundant storage of search key values. That is, a B tree allows search key values to appear only once. That means we have seen in B plus tree, say redundant values are there. Say 9 is stored here, here, and okay, and roll number 7. Say 7 is there and there. Similarly, roll number 3 is present here and here. So redundant data are present in B plus tree. But in B tree, so no redundant data is present. Okay, so all the search key values are appear only once. Now search keys that appear in non-leaf nodes appear nowhere else in the B tree. We include an additional pointer field for records and bucket for each search key in a non-leaf node. Now if it is a leaf node, here two parts are there, K1, K2 to K3, Kn number of keys are there. Okay, and P1, P2 to Pn plus 1 number of pointers are there. But if it is a internal node, say, so three parts are there, pointer 1, bucket 1, say key 1, pointer 2, bucket 2, key 2, and so on, pointer in, bucket in, key in. In this one, so first of all, we just see the how to construct a B tree. Now we have a data, say we have a student table, okay, where the roll numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and these are the name, and we want to construct a index B tree index. So how to construct? Say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So first data is what? Now here you have to maintain this particular property. Say T is a parameter, minimum number of key should be T minus 1, and maximum number of key should be what? 2T minus 1. So let T is equal to 2. So that means what? Minimum should be what? 2T minus 1. Minimum key should be what? 1. And maximum is what? 2T in minus 1. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1, 3. So maximum 3 is permissible. So first key is what? 1. No problem, we can insert. So next is what? 3. So you can put 3. So B tree is also a binary search tree. Next is 5. Okay, see, it is in ascending order, no problem. Now suppose 7 is, you want to insert 7 here. So if you want to insert 7 here, we have to identify the median value. So median is what? It is 3, and we have to move upward. So we have to split this node into two parts, 1, 5 and 7, and root is 3. That means what? Here should be the 3 value. Okay, here should be the 1, and in the right part should be, keyword should be 5 and 7. Are you getting this one? So it is, the tree length is increasing, or tree height is increasing from bottom to up. So initially is what? It is level 0, it is a root node. Now it moves upward direction. So next is what? 7 we want to insert. So 7 already have insert. Next is what? 9. So 9, where you can insert 9? So 9 we can insert. So 9 is what? Less than, greater than 3 and more than 7. We can insert 9 here. Okay, no problem. After that, say we want to insert 2. So where you can insert? So definitely we can insert 2 here, because 2 is what? Less than 3, so we must be here, and 2 must be greater than 1, so we can put 2 here. After that, we want to insert 4 here. So 4, where you can insert? So 4 is what? Greater than 3, so there must be here, but it is what? It is full. Maximum it can store 3, so it is full. So what we have to do? We have to break this one. So what we have to split? So we have to split like this way. So 5, 7, 9 is there. Identify the median. So median should be, must be the root parent. So 7 must be the parent, and left should be what? 5 and 9. So that means what? 7 move upward direction in. So 3 is there, no problem, and here should be what? 7 must be present. Okay, so here it is 1 and 2, no, it is there, and we have to split into two parts. So 5 dash and 9 dash. So what you can say? 5 blank, okay, and 9 blank spaces. And after that we want to add 4. So where you can add 4 here? So if you want to add 4 here, 4 is what? Greater than 3 and less than 7, so 4 must be here. So first we have to store 4, then you have to store 5. Are you getting this one? Next we want to add 6. So where we can add 6? So definitely 6 is what? Less than 7, okay, and that means what, we can put 7 here, we can insert 7 here. So 7 is what, greater than 4, greater than 6, so we can add 6 here directly. Okay, so here we can add 6, no issue, no problem. After that we want to add 8. So where we can add 8? 8 is what, it should be what, greater than 3, greater than 7, and it should be less than 9. So you have to shift 9 here, and you have to place one vacant place. So that means what we can do, say we can do this one. So 3, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So here we want to insert what, 8. So where you can put, so we have to shift 9 here, and then we can insert 8 here. After that we want to insert 10 here. So 10 must be where, 10 must be, should be what, you can insert 10 here. So it is 1, 2, 4, 5, this one, and it is 8, 9 and 10, and here it is 3 and 7 is there. Are you getting this one? And remember one thing, here we can create we can connect the leaf node, but in original B tree these connections are not present, but we can modify we can modify ourselves. So we can link the leaf part. Now suppose we want to add one more key, that is 11. So here you have to 11, but it is not possible to insert 11 here, so we have to break it into two parts. So 8, 9 and 10. So median value is what, 9. So we have to break it to like 8 and 10, and here after that we can put 11. So what you can do, you have to split this particular tree. So we can see here, so it is a root node. Okay, so 3, 7, the root should be what, here it is 9, so here you have to put 9 here. So 3, 7 and 9, and the left part is as it is, keep as it is. Say it is 1, okay, it is 1, 2, then it is 4 and 5, okay. After that it is 8, 9, we have to move 9 upwards, so only 8 must be present. Okay, 8 must be present, and here it is 10, 10 must be there, and after that we can insert 11 because we want to insert 11 here, so we can insert 11 here. Okay, now for the sake of the completion, we just increase the tree. Okay, now suppose we want to insert two more keys, say 12 and say 14. How you can insert? Say if you want to insert 12 here, so directly we can insert 12 here, no problem, because the place is there. But if you want to insert 14 here, what we have to do? So we have to insert 14 here. That means what, we have to split this into two parts. So the median is what, 11 is the median. Okay, so it is what, 10, 11 and 12. So median is 11, you have to move upward. So 11 will be the parent, and right child will be the 10, right, and left child will be the 10, right child will be the what, 12. After that we can add 14 here. Okay, now if you move 11 upward, so here, but here it is what, it is also full, this particular node is also full. So we have to identify the median value, and you have to move upward. So that means what, 3, 7, 9. So this will be what, 3 will be the left child, right side will be what, it is 9, and the 11, and the parent will be what, it should be the 7. Are you getting this one? So you just see, so parent will be what, 7. So you just put 7 here. So 7 will be the root, the left child will be what, 3 and 9, 11. So here 3 must be present, okay, and 9 and 11, 9 and 11. After that we have to connect this the leaf nodes. So here must be what, 1 and 2, we have to connect 1 and 2, and 4 and 5. Okay, next 8 and 9. So 8 is what? It should be the right left child of this 9. It is what? Only 8 is there. Okay, 8 then is what? And we have seen here we want to insert 12 here. That means what? We have to split this into two parts. So 10, 11, 12. So 11 part is there. Okay, and 11 part is there, and that means what? Left child will be what? 10, and right child will be what? 12 and 14. So left child of this 11 would be what? Only 10, and right child of this 11 is what? 12 and 14. It is 12 and 14. It is 12 and 14. So in this way you can construct the B tree. Okay, now this is what our roll number 1 to 10s are there. This is what our B tree, and the leaf node contains 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 9. So here we have to put the address for roll number 1. It is here we have to store A1. For roll number 2 we have to address A2. For 4 we have to address A4. Here it is A5, A8, A9 and A10. So for A3 roll number, there are two parts are there. This is what it holds the address of the next child, left child, but here we have to store the address of this where roll number 3 is there. So here to store A3. Are you getting this one? So here you have to store A7. So if you want to search any particular say roll number, say okay, one thing I have missed, say here 4, 5, 6 must be there. 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6. In this tree also 4, 5, 6 must be there here. Okay. So suppose you want to ask roll number 6, address of this particular information about the roll number 6. So we have to starting from the root. So 6 is what? More than 3 but less than 7. We have to move this particular part, and after that read where 6 is present. Now 6 is there. Now if you read this particular part, we can get A6. Now if you directly, you can jump from this position to that position, and we can access the record of roll number 6. Similarly, we want to know roll number about the roll number 7. So if you read this particular part, so 7 is there, and if you read this particular address part where you can directly jump A7, so that is nothing but this address. So no need to access, no need to move towards the, no need to move up to the leaf mode. Before that we can get the information. So from here we can get directly, we can jump into the address of this particular record. Okay, now we can see the difference between B plus tree and B tree. So in B plus tree all keys are inside the leaf node. Okay, but it is not in this B tree. Few keys are there inside the internal node. So roll number 3 and 7, it is not in the leaf node, it is in the internal node. But if it is a B tree, we can see, but if it is a tree, you can see all the nodes, all the keys are present in the leaf node. Are you getting this one? So all keys are inside the leaf node, but in B tree few keys are inside the internal node. Now B plus is depth is lesser, but in B tree depth is high. So in B plus tree high fan out, okay, number of pointers are more. Then here B tree is what? Low fan out. And B plus tree is what? It is efficiency is higher, but B tree is what? Efficiency is low. So generally to implement the indexing, generally we use B plus tree.